here until here, okay, okay, until here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and today guys, our topic is tampon. Tampax compact. Okay, so tampon. So this video is for girls only. Okay, so we speak about period and what is the best to deal with period. So for me, this is the best, guys. Tampon. It's really changed my life, and I will tell you why and what is the benefits of tampon. And maybe after this you will try it, you will love it. I'm sure, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so now I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this tampon looks okay. So this is the tampon, and now I will open, guys, so you will see inside. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so actually there is a size, there is a different size, guys, as you can see here. So here is just regular 3 drops or 4 drops. It depends on your period. How is it? I always get regular. Okay, so now I will be showing you guys. So this is the tampon. So what you need to do, guys, is you just have to pull like this, okay, and you just have to, how will I I have, okay, so push. For example, guys, this is the hole, okay, so you have to push here until here, okay, until here, and you have to push this one, guys. You have to do it good. You have to put this one deeply, because sometimes if you don't put it deep, guys, it's not comfortable and it's a little bit painful. So now you have to do deeply, okay, so you have to push this one, okay, look at that. You have to push it, push like that, okay, you see that? And after you have to pull this tube. Okay, so here this one is inside, and you will see it's like this. So you can see this, and the blood will start from here till here until here, after here, after here. You will see this one is spread and it's already full. So that's the sign. When this one is already red, you have to change it. Okay, so, or every 4 hours. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's very easy to put, and when you have to take out, guys, you just have to pull this one. You have to make the good position, guys, when you are taking out, or when you are putting this tube, guys. This tube, you have to make the position like squats, like a squat position. You have to put, you have to do squats, and you have to put like this. And same when you are going to take out, you have to do squats, and you take out like this, take out like this. Okay, so that's it, guys. So now I will tell you what is the benefits about this tampon. Well, guys, actually, when I have these, guys, it's like nothing. It's like I don't have any menstruation. It's like a normal days. What I mean is I can wear white pants, short white shorts whenever I go to the toilet. It's not smelly at all. You know what I mean? You know, you know the blood is, you know, it says the smell is different. You know, so yes, I can do a sports, I can dance, I can swim. Imagine, You cannot do that with pads, guys. You cannot do that with napkin. And one of the most important thing, guys, when I have this, I never have a blood on our bed. Really, I never see any drops of blood. This is one of our problem, guys, when we wear a napkin, because sometimes it's moving, you know, it's going out of the place, so sometimes the blood going on our bed. But having this one, guys, I never have a blood on our bed. This one, guys, is very important also. um you will never have a rashes. Sometimes, guys, when we wear napkins, you know, it's wet because of the blood, and sometimes we get a rashes or any itchy things, you know. So with this one, guys, you will never have a rashes anymore. No more pains, no more itchy things. So this is very important. One of my friend messaged me about this, because I already I already made this video in our language, Filipino, in Philippine. And she was very happy because she used this one, and it's really, thank you, it's really life changing. It's really life changing, I'm telling you guys. I'm just sharing you what is good. You guys will try it. So what is not good about this is they said you cannot wear this overnight. Um, but me, for almost 3 years, I am wearing overnight and nothing's happened to me, guys. It's just whenever I take out from when I woke up, I really clean inside, you know. It's mine. I can do what I want. So I clean inside just to make sure it's clean. So after that, I put again. So just to make sure, guys. So no infection, or, you know, every time I take out, actually, I clean it. I don't just take out and put inside. No, I always clean it as much as I can. I clean with water. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will try it, because it's really life changing. And please don't forget to like this video, and subscribe for more beauty tips, life tips, and everything. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.